Hey, what's up, you guys? We at BuiltbyYO. I'm Rio.
We're the Grease Monkey.
And today, man, we finna unbox this Magnuson Supercharger. And stay tuned, we're finna show y'all this great product.
All right, so we just opened these boxes, and up here is the support mods for the Supercharger. We done figured out that this is for, you know, our buddy Michael Oher with the 70 Chevelle. And in that car is a LS3 with BTR Stage 4 PDS Cam in it. It's got a brand new 4L transmission. And what we had on it before was a hot rod 2.3 liter blower from Magnuson that the hood didn't clear. So we had to kind of redo that. So this one is a 2650 blower that's a little bit lower on top, so we shouldn't have any type of clearance issues. This kit really is for like a Gen 2 CTSV. So, and up here, all these support mods, all this came with the kit, all the heater hoses. It even come with a tune for factory injectors. We got, shoot, literally everything. Sensor, extension wires. You even got the braided loom to go on top of the heater hoses for the intercooler. Custom valley cover.
Custom.
Oh yeah, custom.
Custom.
We big time. Even gave you a tag cover.
Ooh.
Oh yeah. Sure, now let's pull that blower out. What you got over there?
Hey, this is my workout for the day right here. You feel me? So, I'm gonna do it. Hey, watch out, brother.
I got you.
I got this. Hey.
Let's see what you got.
You see? Oh, goddamn. Ooh, yes, sir. Move that box, bro.
There you go. Come on with
it. Ooh, had to use my legs, too. All right, now, enough of me. Back to the product.
Let's pull it out the plastic. Use it, yeah.
Go small, not hard, my brother.
There you go.
Shout out to my dog, Kevin Dollar. Y'all might not know Kev, but we do. He worked hard, not smart. It's beautiful. I like that.
Shoot, this joker ready.
Yeah.
Hey, all we gotta do is put the injectors on, and it's ready to go in.
It's real nice.
Yeah.
Nice. Yes, sir. So, like you said, no clearance issue.
Yeah.
With the hood.
She'll bolt right on there.
Bolt right on, and she'll close.
And then we got the correct adapters to mount this up with our CVF front drive. So
perfect. Perfect.
Shout out to CVF
That's
on the
right.
front serpentine setup.
Yep. Cause I know my dog ain't want no 4-inch hood on it. He gonna look like a real hot rod for real then.
So, you know, like we done said, there's a Magnuson 2650. And the tune that comes with it is for factory injectors. So we're running Deechworks 1000cc injectors. This is about to go in here shortly, and y'all gonna see us, you know, installing this, and then y'all probably gonna pick back up with the actual dyno day and really seeing the install of this in the next video. So, hey, this was that unboxing.
And don't forget, man, like, share, subscribe, and comment on the channel. And also, man, the link is in the bio. Go click that link. We out of there.